These are praising the local, different planetary system, of which the sunlight is the chief. Savita Sakalagrahana is the chief of the all planet. Jatchaksudesu Savita Sakalagrahana Raja Samasta Suramurti Asesu Teja Jasadmayam Pramati Sanghritakala Chakro Govindamali Purusam Tamam. The sun is not fixed, sun is moving. The modern scientists or astronomers, they say, sun is fixed, the earth is moving. We don't say that. It is the Sadvaya Brahmati Sanghritakala Chakra. It has got its orbit. So, there are so many things to be known still from Vedic literature. It is not yet unfolded, but we are trying. Siddhya, so Sattvaika, they are all the inhabitants of the upper planetary system, they are in Sattvik gun, Brahminical qualities. They are not Mlecchas and Javanas. Brahman, Sattvaika Tanagati. They are not ordinary. It's like here, the Sattvik means pure Brahmin. Samadama, Sattam, Saucham, Titikha, Arjava, Jnanam, Vijnanam, Astikam, Brahma Karma. Most of them are Brahmins, or even Kshatriyas. Mostly they are Brahmins. So, Urdham Gachanti Sattvastva, in the Bhagavad Gita. Those who are situated in Satagun, they are promoted to the higher planetary system after death. Madhye Tishtanti Rajasa. And those who are in the Rajagun, they remain in the middle planetary system. Jaganna Gunavrittisto Adho Gachanti Tamasa. And those who are in Tamasi, in the darkness, ignorance modes of material nature, they go down to the down planetary system or animal life. So this is an opportunity, this human form of life, to decide where you want to go. Are you going to hell or heaven, or back to home or back to Godhead? That you have to decide. This is human intelligence, not like working like cats and dogs and dying like cats and dogs. That is not human life. Human life is meant for to decide where you want to go next. By the evolutionary process, you have come to this human form of life. Jalajana Lakhani Savra Lakhavimsadi. By going through so many 8,400,000 species of life, you have got this human form of life. Now you decide where you go. So where I have to go, how to go, that is that information in the Shastra. Shastra Chakkhushya, see through the Shastra where you can go. And the master of the Shastra, Krishna, is giving you personally instruction. Urdham gachanti sattvasva, madhye tishtanti rajasa, Jaganna Gunavrittista Adho Gachanti Tamasa. Janti Deva Vratan Deva, Pitrin Janti Pitri Vrataha, Bhutani Janti Bhutejja, Madjajinopi Janti Ma. These informations are there. Why you are missing this opportunity? If you like, you can go to the higher planetary system. If you like, you can go back to home, back to God. Madhyajinopi janti ma. These informations are there. So without Satagun, if you keep people in the Rajagun, Tamagun, then their future is lost. Rajagun, Tamagun means people will become more greedy and lusty, that's all. And greedy and lusty means cats and dogs, animal life. Animal life. They are trying to eat, no discrimination of eating. So that is hog's life. The hog has no discrimination of eating. It can eat even stool. So if you become like hog, no discrimination of eating. Whatever is, just like so many Swamis, they say, oh, why there is restriction of eating? You can eat anything you like. The nature will give you, all right, you want to eat anything you like, all right, you become a hog, you eat even stool. Karmana daivanetrena jantar deha upapatti. You have to change your body. Tatha dehantaram prapti dhirastattanami. You may say that there is no life after, but that is foolishness. You are under the control of material nature. Prakita kriyamanani gunai karmani sarvasa. Ahankara vimuratma karta hammati munnate. You may falsely, being proud, you say, no, I shall not become old man. I shall remain young. And nature will not allow it. Nature will force you to take the old man's body. But these foolish people, they are thinking independent. You are not independent. Prakita kriyamanani gunai karma. Karanam guna sangasa sadasat janma jonishu. Sat asat. Good birth or low class birth, sat asat, that is how it is done. Karanam guna sanghasa. As you make association with the gunas, satagun, rajagun, tamagun. If you associate with satagun, then you get satjanma, next life. And if you associate with tamagun, then you get tamagun life. After death, you are so much prestigious position, so much proud, everything will be finished. Then you are completely under the laws of nature and you have to accept the body and according to your quality, this is the way. But they do not know. Therefore Prahlad Maharaj said that I am born in Ugra Joni. So how can I offer my prayer to the Supreme Personality of Godhead? But he was born in the Ugra family, but he was devotee. He is qualified. Because a devotee is neither belonging to any of these material qualities. Manchabhya vicharini bhakti yogi na ja sevate sagunana samatitayeta brahma bhuvaya. Anyone who is engaged in devotional service, he does not belong to any of this material quality. Sagunana samatitva eta. All these qualities he is transcendental. Brahma bhuvaya kalpate. Prahlad Maharaj, although born of a demonic father, he was completely pure. He was completely of the transcendental state. Therefore he could offer prayers to the Lord. Others cannot. So, a Vaishnava is very humble. He, although everyone has admitted that he is on the stage of prema, but he as a Vaishnava is thinking that I am the son of Hiranyakasipu, how I can offer. This is Vaishnava humbleness. That is the teaching of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Trinadapi sunichena, karorapi sahishnana, amani namanadena, kirtaniya sada. One has to become humbler than the grass and tolerant than the tree. Then he can become perfect Vaishnava. Because as soon as you become a Vaishnava, your father will be your enemy. Just like Prahlad Maharaj. What was his fault? 5 years old boy. Simply he became a Vaishnava, Krishna conscious. And his father became enemy. This is the position. The Vaishnava has to tolerate in order to make progress in spiritual life. So many enemies, even at home, father will be enemy. So don't be hesitant and don't be agitated by such circumstances. Prahlad Maharaj had to suffer so many things. Still, he remained Krishna conscious, and ultimately he saw Lord Risinghadev and had the privilege of offering prayers, which shall discuss later on. Thank you.